Hey everyone, I have another episode of Beauty Empties of products I used up. I have a bunch of them. Let's just get right into it. This is day 3 hair. Actually, I like how it came out. I used a little more product than usual. Of course, it's raining in New Jersey and I have to go out in a little bit. So always need a little more product to go against the rain. What is that one? All right, that's better. So the first thing I used up, this was by Acre, and this was the moisturizing sealing lotion. Performance-wise, 100 out of 10. It performed really, really well. Scent-wise, 1 out of 10. Couldn't stand the scent. It smelled like number 2 lead pencils to me. If I had a different scent, I would rebuy this because it worked so well. But again, scent is subjective. You might smell this and think it smells beautiful. So don't give what I think of scent. Like, go smell it for yourself, because especially for how well it worked. I'm hoping maybe they'll do a fragrance-free version of it in the future. If they do, I'll be the first one in line. Next up, Medicube. This is the Deep Vitamin C capsule cream with vitamin water, vitamin C, and niacinamide, 5%. Such a great face cream. I'm actually on a second jar that I use in the morning. Vitamin C, you know, is a skin brightener. It's going to help with your skin texture. And what's really cool about it, I mean, I can't show it to you. Why am I opening it? Because it's empty. But they have like these little like balls, for lack of a better term, in like a gel, and you take a ball with a little gel and like you rub it on your face, and that sounds so terrible. But and it absorbs and works really well. Nonetheless, I have another jar and I like it, and I think my husband just heard me and is probably laughing, but love Medicube skincare. Next up, Acre. If you follow me, you know I am such a big fan of Acre's product, and this is their cold process scalp detox. I use this once a week, whether I'm doing a full clarifying routine or not, and it helps just like clean the scalp, moisturize the scalp, get rid of some gunk. I just like use a little nozzle, go like that, and rub it in for you. Before I'm gonna shampoo, I usually use it before I work out, so it usually hangs on my head for an hour or so, but you only need to leave it on for about 20 minutes. And vitamin rich oil treatment to cleanse and moisturize your scalp, because you know healthy hair comes from healthy scalp. But cannot recommend it enough. Cannot recommend Acre enough. If you want to try this or anything by Acre, I am an affiliate and I have a code, Diane20, saves you 20% and happiness all around. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, no worries. Next up, from Miche. This is a detangling, moisturizing argan milk leave-in conditioner. I got this from Ulta. This is another product where, performance-wise, it worked really great on wet hair or dry hair. Didn't love the scent. The scent was like toasted vanilla and macadamia milk. I've come to realize, like, throughout the years, I don't like macadamia note in fragrances. Again, it's just not for me, so because of the scent, and I have so many other hair products and like sprays and detanglers I liked, I would just go with something else. But performance was really nice. This is from Evolvh. So this is the Super Curl Defining Cream. This smelled really good, actually. This smelled like an orange creamsicle, and this was a really nice curl cream. It says superhero product for smooth, soft, hydrated, touchable curls, ringlets in a bottle with staying power. Little went a long way. This was a great curl cream for dry hair, for wet hair. I actually would use this on when I do my weekday washes and I go really quick. This would be a cream I reach for. Love that it's in a pump. Always bonus points for a pump, and I would definitely repurchase this. I have other creams that I'm going through right now, but in the future I would consider getting that again. Next, from Miche. This is the Hydrate and Refresh Spread for reviving dry hair. I got this from Curls Monthly. If you don't know Curls Monthly, it's a monthly subscription where you could pick 5 products to show up at your door, either curated or 5 products you pick on your own. And I actually did this in the pick your own mailer. I'm an affiliate. If you want to save a discount, there's a link in my bio. I can message it to you. But this was one I picked by myself, and I love this stuff. This was really great as a refresher, so I would use it on dry hair day 2 or day 3. My hair drank this stuff up. It left it so soft and smooth, and this actually smelled really good. It smelled really fruity, and I'm gonna wind up with the full size of this at some point soon. I'm gonna see what this site does for Black Friday, because there's other products from them I like as well. But really great brand too. Nice ingredients, and I'm liking everything I try by them. Use up this full-size gel. Always cut your tubes, guys, because you'd be surprised if you don't cut your tubes how much product you're wasting. There's always so much more in there. I feel like I say that every single Empties. But this is by a brand called Donna's Recipe. I got this at Ulta. Whipped vanilla cream curl enhancing gel. If you want to talk about products that smell good, and I mean, if you like the smell of vanilla, if you don't like the smell of vanilla, obviously don't even listen to this. one of the best smelling hair products I've ever smelled. It smells like a vanilla cupcake. I mean, I love that whole vanilla gourmand sweetness, like cupcakes, dessert. Like, I'm just all about that, like early 2000s, late 90s. I mean, that's when I was like a tween, so you know what I'm talking about. But smells so delicious, and this gel is so nice. This is actually one of my favorite gels that like I've like ever used, which is saying a lot. They say it's a soft to medium hold, and I feel like it's more of a like medium to not quite hard. I'd give it a good medium hold, but it lasts for me, and it gives a lot of shine, a lot of slip. There's vanilla in there, and vanilla is gonna like help smooth the hair cuticle. It's gonna even help with hair growth. It's gonna help with shine, gonna help with frizz. Then there's biotin in here, well, that helps with hair growth, and there's some nice ingredients. There's a lot of polymers, polyquats that help hold the hair. And did I mention the smell? I love the smell a lot. A little goes a long way, and this is one of those brands in Ulta that you could use Ulta coupons on, even if it's not prestige. So I do have another tube like this product. Love the smell. I keep saying it, like I wish they would make hair perfume. If you're watching this Donna's recipe, hair perfume in this scent, please, please, please. Next up, Jessicurl. I love Jessicurl, one of my all-time favorite brands. I mean, they make my holy grail gel Spiralicious, we know that. But this is the Touche Extra Moisturizing Conditioner. This is my favorite leave-in. I mean, you could use it as a rinse-out conditioner as well. I just love it so much as a leave-in, especially in the winter months. Have more bottles of it. Gonna get the super size on Black Friday. And I am actually a Jessicurl affiliate too, so if you want to save money on their site, Diane10. And of course, guys, don't feel obligated or like I'm trying to be pushy. I just tell you because if you want to save money, cool. If you don't want to, don't. They're in the link below. The little caption thing below if you're watching this on YouTube or wherever you're watching it. But yeah, moving on, another Evolvh product, Better Roots Growth Styling Foam. I really like this foam. I go through it rather quickly. I get more, but the problem is I feel like they're never in stock anymore. But I mean, I get why. Works really well. It's a styling foam. It has UV protection, and not only does it style and like give shine and hold, but it also has hair growth ingredients in it. So works really well. I can see why it's not in stock, but also it's like, oh, why is it ever in stock? But great product. Last but not least, one more skincare product, and this is by Beauty Bio, and this is the Smoothie Booster Retinol Wrinkle Release Complex. So this is the retinol I was using at night. This is an interesting component. Oh, actually through it was like a little like nozzle, and you would push down, but there was a little one more drop in there. To get every last part out, I like kind of ripped the components apart, but it worked pretty well. I mean, it wasn't like amazing, but it wasn't bad either. I moved on to other retinols since I'm using the Medicube retinol now, and I really like that. But already said I love that brand. But this is long. I'll stop talking. That was this Empties. Hopefully, if you liked me, thumbs up. Let's talk, and I'll see you next time.